Welcome to my kitchen. Let's make instant aloo gobi today. Aloo means potato and gobi means cauliflower. Now here I have full head of cauliflower. We are taking only half of it. So this is more than 3 pounds of cauliflower and we will be taking only half of it. This half maybe, and I am going to blanch it. So without the stems, this will be nearly 1 pound. So I will be going to blanch this. Blanch means I will boil big florets of cauliflower in hot water with some salt in it. I'll just take good leaves, 1 or 2, it tastes better, and stems I will cut it out. So blanch this, and we also need boiled potato 2 medium, 1 large onion, 1 medium Roma tomato, 6 cloves of garlic peeled, 1 green chili and 1 inch big piece of ginger. And at the end I'll be adding kasuri methi, which is dry fenugreek leaves crushed, 1 teaspoon, and half a teaspoon of Kitchen King garam masala. In our spices we need 3/4 teaspoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder and half teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric and half teaspoon of amchur, that is dry mango powder. We also need 1 full teaspoon of cumin seeds whole in the tempering, and we need half teaspoon crushed fennel seeds. So what I'll do, I'm going to make a paste out of this: 1 inch ginger, 1 chili and 6 cloves of garlic. My potatoes are boiled and I will blanch the cauliflower. I'll cut an onion in small pieces and big pieces of tomato. And now let's begin. So this is how I blanch my cauliflower. I'll make its florets, big florets, and I'll come back to you. Now that everything is ready, our aloo gobi will be prepared in no time. Now our all dry spices are ready. Potato is cut, tomato, onion chopped, and I'll make the paste out of it. So these are the big florets I made out of blanched cauliflower. They are almost cooked. So now let's begin making instant aloo gobi. In a big wok, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot, add teaspoonful of cumin to it. Let it crackle. Add fennel seeds. Add all our dry spices. Quickly add our crushed ginger, garlic and green chili. Quickly add tomatoes and onions and fry them well. Fry very well for 2 to 3 minutes. Oh wow! Already it starts giving nice aroma. Now after 2 to 3 minutes, add all our potatoes. Fry for 1 minute. Add all our cauliflower florets. Fry for 1 more minute. Mix it well. Wow, looks great. Now add half a cup of water and cook covered just for 2 minutes. Now let's check. 2 minutes are done. Now you can keep the flame on medium high. Let's check after 2 minutes. Oh wow, wonderful. Yes, it's still moist. The water will get absorbed when we switch off the flame. Lastly, sprinkle our dry fenugreek leaf and garam masala, 1 teaspoon each, all over. Mix for one last time, and our aloo gobi instant is done. Switch off the flame now and keep covered just for 1 minute and then serve it. And I will come back after 1 minute. Now after 1 minute, just before serving, sprinkle some 1 teaspoon of lemon juice on top of it. Mix it well one last time and serve it. We'll decorate it with cilantro. And at the end, add 1 teaspoonful of chaat masala to it. This gives very tangy taste to it. Okay, now serve it hot immediately with hot and soft fresh rotis and along with some salad. This will be enough for 4 to 5 people. We could make this instant aloo gobi within no time, only 6 to 7 minutes. Now decorate it with cilantro and with tomato. Thank you for watching. Enjoy hot fresh roti and aloo gobi. Bye bye.